Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Showboater Kid. Today, I got a very special video for you guys because today, you know how I showed you guys when I first moved into my apartment with my family? I did like a house tour and room tour and stuff like that. Well, the first room tour that I showed you was when I first moved in. It has changed dramatically, and I mean dramatically. So I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys my updated room tour, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So before we get into the room and show you guys what I all got in there, I need you to do me three things. I need you to hit that thumbs up button as hard as you possibly can if you guys want to see more videos like this. Number two, I need you to double sweet Chew Music that subscribe button if you haven't already, because guys, we're so close to 300 subscribers. So let's get it with this video. And also down below is a notification bell. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, because a lot of other you guys do not want to miss. So stay tuned. And also down in the description is all my social media. Go drop a follow and all those as well. And also down in the comment section, let me know what you guys want to see for future videos, because I'm definitely up for any of your guys' ideas. So without further ado, now that all that shenanigans stuff is over, let's get into the room tour. Let's go. Alright, as you guys have seen, the door has not changed at all. All besides one thing. Last time I showed you guys the room tour, the warning, teenager lives here, that was here. That, like, this has not changed. This, ever since I moved in, this has not changed. Came off the door, nothing. What has changed on the door is this not recording sign. And I actually did this a couple, like, days ago. It's actually from my parents because, you know, they like to walk in, like when I'm recording and stuff. So I literally have this sign that says not recording. And then on the other side, if I take the thumbtack off, oh, it dropped. It says, when I'm recording, it says recording in progress. So my parents know not to, you know, come in the room when I'm recording. Be right back, guys. I'm going to hang this up, and we'll get right back to it. Alright, guys, there it is, all back up. Alright, now, for the moment you all have been waiting for, let's enter the room. Ooh. Ah. Let's do a little walkthrough from the right. Just give you like a little bit of a walkthrough, and then I'll talk about the stuff that I have in my room. Alright, guys, so we're going to go all the way from here. As you guys can tell, this shelf right here that has all my wrestlers and stuff on it, this was actually, like, all fallen and stuff. So, like, actually, figures were all over the place and everything. This was actually all the way over there. And that light was, like, kind of up further. So with a count, pretty much what happened is that this cabinet right here with all my wrestlers and everything, and where that picture right there is where my finger is, and my calendar, they actually flip-flopped. So those two used to be here, and the cabinet used to be over there, and then the light obviously was moved up. So yeah. And then obviously nothing has changed as far as like the pictures coming into my room or whatever. But like the pictures and everything have not changed. The dresser was there last time, I believe. And I got a lot of new stuff on here. I don't think anything has changed, honestly. But what has changed and was not here last time, was obviously the new gamer chair for your boy. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the new gamer chair, the Tekken Sport, or the Tech Sport. Okay. Looks pretty sick, not gonna lie. I actually got this for Christmas from my parents. And my old gaming setup used to be in this corner, but I decided to take it out because it was taking up way too much room in my room. So my old gaming setup is not here anymore. I took that all out and everything. So yeah, the gamer chair is now here. That's one of the new things that I got for my updated room tour. The bed obviously has not changed. Obviously the windows aren't changed. Nothing on the wall has changed besides the picture and the calendar and the light, obviously. But nothing on my bed has changed. I don't think this was here last time. I have a little nightstand. I think that was here when I did the room tour last time. But if it isn't, that has changed. My lady and Michael. Obviously my lady was there, but Harley was not here. But now they have been moved down there. So bed has not changed. The stool has not changed. The shoes have changed. All my shoes were over here. All that. The light has changed. Like I said, none of the pictures have changed. Everything has pretty much stayed the same, besides, like I said, the calendar and the picture and the light. And this is definitely new as well, which is the shelf. Now, the shelf consists of a lot of things. It consists of my router connected to the TV. Actually, the TV actually is new as well, but I'll get to that in a second. So we got the router for the TV, we got some change and all that good stuff, the remote, my tripod that needs to get fixed, my battery charger to my watch that I have on right now, all the connectors and stuff. We got the Xbox and the controller and everything else like that, my ID for some work and stuff, and a couple of other things there, like a picture of me, or a picture of my mom and her friend, some bracelets. All my Xbox games are down here, like little cameras and another Xbox controller, but it's wired. All my games and stuff. All of my school stuff is in here, like my calculator and stuff like that, and also the Xbox, one of those connectors that hook into the Xbox. The bank that I deal with, and the base that goes to the TV. Now, the picture underneath the TV has not changed, obviously, but the big TV has. As you guys, there was a small TV here, and there was a metal shelving here. Obviously, like I said, that has gone away, and we actually put the TV up on the wall. It is secured. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's secured by one of these things. The clock has not changed at all either. But yeah, the big TV, and this is pretty much the new gaming setup, honestly, as well. Nothing spectacular. The trash can obviously has not changed. Nothing really spectacular has changed. Put you back on me. Like I said, nothing spectacular has really changed, besides the gamer chair and the shelf moving and the new shelf and the TV. That's pretty much all that has changed, is just flip-flopping and the chair, because I got rid of my old chair, gave that to my dad, and he bought me this gamer chair for Christmas, which I freaking absolutely love. So that has changed. Like I said, the shelving has changed. The TV has been put up, stuff like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys again for the absolute consistent of love and support. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I love you all so very much. If you guys enjoyed this room tour, give me a big fat thumbs up. Also down in the comment section, let me know what you guys want to see more of. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys want to see the stuff that I got for Christmas. It's actually pretty lit. I got a lot of stuff actually. Yeah, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because we are so close to 300 subs. And also hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, because a lot of other video guys that you guys do not want to miss. And yeah, like I said, down in the description is all my social media. Go drop a follow on all those as well. And also hit that comment section with future ideas for the channel. And give me a big fat like button on this. And see you guys in the next video. Doses.